Question number 4. We are told the point A has coordinates -6, 4 and B has coordinates 8, -3 and they both lie on the line L. Question A is asking us to find an equation for the line L in the form AX plus BY plus C equals 0. Okay, so if I just label these 2 points x1, y1, we've got x2, y2, and the formula for the gradient given 2 points is the difference in the y values divided by the difference in the x values. So this is a case of just basic substitution. So y2 is -3, y1 is 4, so I'll take 4 away, divided by x2, which is 8, minus x1, which is -6. So I have -7, because -3 minus 4 is -7, over, well, 8 minus -6 is 14, so the gradient is -7 over 14, which is -1/2. Okay, so now we've got the gradient, we can use the formula to find the equation of the line y minus y1 equals m in brackets x minus x1. Remember, the gradient is -1/2, and I can use any point A or B. I'm going to choose point A. So y minus y1, so y minus 4 equals the gradient, which is 1/2 of x, and the x value is -6, which will give me +6, and I just need to tidy up this now. So I'm going to take this 2 up and I'm going to multiply both these terms by 2, so I'm left with 2y minus 8 equals, and I'm going to expand this bracket because I've got -1, so -1 times x is -x, -6, and it wants it in the form of ax plus by plus c, so I'm going to take everything over to the left hand side, and I'm left with x plus 2y. Now I've got -8 plus 6, which is -2, and that's the equation for L. Now in part B, they are asking to find the distance AB, giving your answer in the form k √5, where k is an integer. Okay, so if we just have a little sketch of what's actually happening. We've got A is -6,4, so -6,4 somewhere up here, we'll call that A. And B is 8 minus 3, which is down here. And we need to find this distance between them. So automatically you should be thinking Pythagoras. And we need to find this distance here and this distance here and apply our knowledge of Pythagoras. Okay. So we are going in the y direction from -3 to 4. So from -3 to 4 we've gone 7 units, and in the x direction we've gone from -6 to 8. Well, that's 14 units. So if we call this d, the distance between A, B, then d squared equals 7 squared plus 14 squared. D squared equals 49 plus, well, 14 times 14 you should know as 196. So D equals the square root of 245. And looking for square factors that make up 245, with a little trial and error you should find that 49 times 5 will give us 245. So the distance is 7 root 5 units, and you can clearly see we have it in the form they're asking, where k is 7 and we have our root 5 next to the k.